Retro Friday.
Woody Jams. Pinas FM 95.5.
Wow, lakas naman ng palakpakan. Grabe. Okay. The storm is here. Oy, napuno ang studio. Kanina pa namin sinasabi, we have surprise guests. And we're so lucky to have the two very popular guys ngayon sa showbiz. Kailangan ko pa bang ipakilala yan? Pero of course, to give tribute to the guys, okay, and saying, Dennis Trillo is live here on Pinas FM.
Hello, good afternoon po sa lahat ng mga tagapakinig. Kamusta po kayong lahat?
Okay, and of course, not to forget to si Tom Rodriguez. Hello.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng mga nakikinig ngayon. Thank you for having us here.
Ayun, ba't nababa? Ulit. Take two.
Take two.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Magandang hapon sa lahat ng nanonood, and I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for having us over.
Yes. Remember, we're there when you launched the album Tom Ben.
Oo nga po, salamat po sa suporta ninyo palagi.
Thank you.
And we're so privileged and so honored, right? Yeah.
No, the privilege and honor is ours.
Uh-huh. Mamaya kakaway-kaway tayo sa mga fans nyo. Okay? Hindi namin in-announce kasi baka maging dilubyo. But anyway, you've gone so far, guys, diba? Knowing that Dennis is a, very known actor, so to say, right? And so, with this very popular guy din na hindi ipapatalo, si Tom Rodriguez. So, what's up?
Ayun,
Well, yeah,
nandito po kami para
we have an
mag-promote po
album.
ng album namin.
Yung Tom Den album po under GMA Records. We're here to promote it. We have 8 great tracks po that are all revivals from the early 80s.
Uy, Retro Friday kami revival ngayon.
Tama.
Pero syempre, bibigyan din natin on the side para tuwinig din ng mga fans nyo na this is the one the guys are promoting, right? The Tom Den thing. Okay. Pero flashback lang din tayo. Baka matanong lang nila, of course, yung musical background ninyong dalawa. Yan. Kasi we saw you when you sing live there during the launch. Pero syempre, Tom here started his singing career.
Around like 4 years ago lang. Before that, I wasn't really much of a singer. Parang hindi naman tawag isa. Siguro sa banyo, sa CR, kumakanta ako. Pero
carry na yun.
Oh,
diba?
but 4 years ago, after I joined the reality competition, yung PBB, I was put in a group, yung Voice Boys, and I was fortunate enough to be with really amazing singers, really amazing talented singers, and I was able to learn a lot from them.
Pero syempre si Dennis, kilala yan kumakanta talaga.
Ako naman po, kumakanta pa minsan-minsan, pero mas focus ako dati sa acting. Tapos ngayon, nagkaroon ulit ng chance makagawa ng album. Although nagkaroon na rin po ako ng album dati, mga ilang years ago. Na pinoduce po ni Kuya Ogie Alcacid. Tapos, ngayon naman po, pinoduce ng GMA Records po yung album namin.
So, this is something really to watch. Ang dinig namin, gold na ba?
Nearly.
Pero gusto namin magpasalamat sa lahat po ng bumili tsaka lahat po ng download sa iTunes.
So,
Thank
that's
you.
really great. Yung download na yun, may mga kasi di ba uso ngayon yung mga proceeds, so to say. Yung over the other network, the GMA, meron silang parang pag di-download to, the proceeds of that will be given to the victims of
Yolanda, which is really nice.
And we know artists are really working hard also, not only promoting their thing, pero syempre pagtulong din sa atin.
Of course, raising awareness.
Okay, so meron bang share?
Yeah, and
ang Tom Ben?
whatever help we can give and whatever part we can do, we try to do it as well, especially in our jobs. So we have a lot of reach, when it comes to the fan base, to the people. So we try to use a lot of the different social medias to really call out, to the would-be volunteers, to raise awareness, even raise funds and join benefit concerts and stuff
that's
like
really
that.
great, right, Dennis?
Yes, ma'am. And actually, meron po kaming, yung katulad sinabi nito, meron po kaming benefit concert sa December 14.
14.
Yes.
Handog po ito ng My Phone. Tapos, meron silang parang trade in kindness.
Program
magdadala
na
sila ng
pangalan
mga
na
relief
program.
goods doon. Tapos, iti-trade nila yun para sa discount kung gusto nilang bumili ng phones. Tapos,
Na
that's
imbis na
good.
lumang phone yung i-trade in nila, pwede nilang
dalhin yung
dalhin yung mga good, relief goods.
That's good.
December
That's really
14 po
good.
yan sa Araneta Coliseum.
Uy, no tayo. Birthday mo yun, Jem. Punta tayo.
Advance happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, siguro pag pumunta kayo doon live sa Tacloban and the rest na hit ng typhoon, baka lalong sumigla yung mga kapinas natin doon.
Kung
Ako
madali
personally,
lang ako
yeah.
talagang pumunta ngayon. Kaso napakahirap
Yun nga eh.
talagang,
Ng schedule.
Especially we have asked because I have family who lives there. I grew up in
Yes.
Visayas.
Oo. So how are they doing now?
Well, some I still haven't been able to contact, but at least for the most part, they're all relatively safe naman there. But still, it's what's happening there is very, very unfortunate, and it's just hard to imagine what they all could be going through right now.
Buti na lang, no, may mga artist na katulad nyo nagpapasigla sa mga kapinas natin. Siyempre, napapangiti pag nakikita kayo. Yay! Just like it. Kaway!
Well, thank you.
Okay. So, ano ba ang meron pa? Dahil marami kayong gagawin, di ba? Before the end of the year,
May US
you're having
tour.
a tour. When is that?
aalis po kami sa November 20.
20 na.
Po. So, 20 days po kami sa US para maglibot po sa 6 cities.
So, nagpabakuna na kami.
Pabakuna na
Po,
para.
galing po kami sa hospital kanina. Nagpa-flu shot.
Everything is okay.
Uh.
Yeah, that's nice. So, we know you're that busy. Meron pa kayong gustong ipahatid sa ating mga kapinas, sa ating mga kababayan dyan, na pag nakita kayo at narinig na Tom Den, that really give them, mas masayang feeling.
Oh wow,
Yes.
thanks. I hope so. And then just a general message to everyone out there who's listening: just stay strong. Let's all bond together. Stay as one.
Yes.
That's all we could all hope for.
That's true. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, Dennis.
Ayun, at yun, gusto lang namin ulit kunin itong chance na to para magpasalamat po sa lahat ng mga tumangkilik at bumili po nung album namin.
Tsaka sa lahat na
Salamat
dumadagsa sa mga molso na din. No,
Yun, isa po po.
Di ba, it's really
Salamat
blessing,
po.
no?
Sobra,
Pouring.
sobra.
Kami din yung bang, nahihilabot pag nakikita namin, you got lots of funds. Knowing it's just, something happened really.
So,
Diba?
sobrang nakakataba ng
magical.
negosyo na parang iba-ibang demographic, hindi lang isang grupo ng people, pero may mga tatay, nanay,
So
bata.
it's the whole
So,
family.
parang
Nakakatuwa po
Kasi-
na iba't ibang
Nakakatuwa.
klaseng tao yung pumupunta
diba?
sa concert. Kala namin isang market
Oh.
lang. Pero nakakatuwa, iba-iba,
So,
sari-sari.
ibig sabihin,
nakakagulat. Pero,
pag may talent, okay, talaga namang i-appreciate ng mga
Wow,
kapinas.
thank you,
And
thank
of
you.
course, pag that lovable, talaga naman ilalove and hug pa. Diba? Okay, so, mga kapinas na nandito, a big round of applause! Guys! Woo! Ayan, pwede na. So, thank you very much, Dennis.
Thank you.
Salamat din
Tom.
po
Thank you so
sa
much.
pag-imbita sa amin.
Okay. Tom
Thank you.
Den.